Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new to my channel. Please do not leave without subscribing, as well as hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload from this gorgeous face right here. And if you're coming back to watch yet another video, thank you so much my love for coming back. Today's video we are of course gonna be discussing the ebony hot comb by Carmen, from exclusively available at Dischem, I believe. I'm not sure if it's also available from Clicks, but I do know that you can get this at Dischem. So we're gonna be discussing the pros and cons. I've had this hot comb for quite some time now, and I think I'm finally ready to talk and discuss it. So let's get into today's video. First thing out the bat, I just would like to say that thank you so much Dischem for giving us this hot comb, because your sis been surviving on hot combs from Chinatown. And if you know those hot combs from Chinatown, you know that after a while they give up on you. So I've had this hot comb since last December, and yeah, this is the packaging that it came in, and it really honestly did not come with, let's see, it just came in this plastic. I was about to lie and say it didn't come with any instructions, but yeah, it comes with this instruction. And this hot comb, I'll put the price, but I believe it retails for 250. I could be wrong. That's how much I remember paying, but yeah, if I'm wrong, I'll put the amount that it's currently going for on the screen. So you get the instruction manual in the packaging as well. Actually, really honestly never opened this, so I don't even know what it is about. It just has like safeguards and stuff. You feel like me, you never gonna need to open this. But yeah, it just has like, who needs to know the on and off? Like, I can see the on and off. So this is the hot comb. I was using it just now, so it's really still kind of hot, so I don't want to be touching it. Right off the bat, the design is so cute. Like, look at this design. It is so adorable, like the gold and black, and it feels lush, guys. I don't want to lie, like it feels like nothing like a Chinatown brand. Like, it really honestly does not give Chinatown, and it does not feel like Chinatown. So it's really slick, and it has this long cord. That's one of the things that I love about this. Like, can you see how long it goes? Like, the Chinatown hot combs will give you this much cord, like, and just be like, yeah, you be here in the plug just trying to hot comb your hair. So yeah, that's one of the other things that I really do appreciate about this hot comb. It gets really long. Of course, it has one of those round plugs that I really hate, because you have to get that round adapter plug thingy, whatever you call it. But yeah, that's the other thing that I really hate about this. Let's talk about the bad and the ugly. It's child. This hot comb is really hot. If you're in the market for a hot, scorching hot comb, you are in the right place. But I'll tell you why that's a good and a bad thing. This does not have any adjustments. It just has on off, and I want to be able to control my heat settings. Like, if I can't handle level 1, level 2, level 3, this does not have none of that. Like, you really just get what you get. Oh my god, I keep touching it and I forgot it was on. So it gets really like extremely hot. I would say that if you are a hairstylist, be very careful when you're using this, because you're gonna burn a lot of heads. And the other thing that I hated about this hot comb is it actually does not come with that safety thingy that the most hot combs come with. Even the hot combs from Chinatown come with that safety thing, child. I will put it on the screen what I'm talking about. The safety thing to actually put on the hot comb when you are near the hairline, or when you are dealing with your hair, your natural hair, whatever the situation is, you need to be able to just have that protection on so you don't burn your scalp. This did not come with that. I don't know whether or not it is my hot comb. But yeah, judging from the packaging and the instruction manual, there's no picture of it anywhere. It's just the hot comb on its own. Just get what's up with that. What's up with that? It's like a lawsuit waiting to happen. Like, what's up with that? Like, give us, like, this does not have that safety thing, and it gets really hard. So you need to be really careful, or you're going to burn somebody. If you're a hairstylist, like I mentioned, I would suggest that you stay away from this when it comes to the hairline. Stay away from people's heads. Like, when you want to work on this, work it on the mannequin and then transfer it, because you're going to burn people. Like, you really are going to burn people. You can't adjust this. It gets really hard. That's what I wanted. I always wanted a hot comb that gets really hard, but this gets really hard, like disgustingly hot, up to a point I'm like, I'm telling you, you can literally iron your t-shirts with it gets really hot. Like, I don't know what to scam. But the biggest thing that I was just like, yo, loser, boo, tomato. Look at this hot comb. Like, if you are used to hot combs, I will put a regular schmegler hot comb here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, I haven't worked with my Chinatown hot comb in a while. So my old Chinatown one, you can actually just press it here and adjust it like level 1, level 2, level 3. That's the other thing that I adored about this. Now, when it comes to these two, like, look at we're focusing on the combs right here, right? Look at this comb and look at this comb. With this comb, do you see how wide the tooth are? And look at how just togetherness this one is. Like, what the whiteness does actually, and how thin it actually is, it enables you to get right into the root and comb it out and adjust it however you want. But this baby, this big thing here, as much as it gets hot, it does not get to the root. Like, it's so hot that you have to literally push to, like, it starts here. Like, my roots don't start here, my baby. Like, but these are so thick that it combs nothing. It's together, it's brush. It literally just brush. Like, I literally, you see, it doesn't get deep in. I hope that I'm making sense, but this enabled me to go right into my scalp if I wanted to and comb my roots out. Now, is this the perfect comb? Absolutely not, because of the fact that I cannot get into the root and I cannot adjust. I burn myself. I would say that I'm gonna continue using it because it does get hot, and yeah, it really just helps to flatten the top and stuff like that. So it does have its job, but my search for the best perfect hot comb still continues. I just need a hot comb that I can adjust. I just need a hot comb that the tooth are wide enough to scan. Please, like, do something.
Okay, thanks everybody. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Question out of respect for marriage.
That's pretty much the end of today's video. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you found it helpful and you enjoyed it, please thumbs it up, and also hit the subscription button if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys, my love, in my next upload. Bye.